Before I get started, do me a favor, hit the like button, make sure you guys subscribe. You got any questions, drop it in the comments, all right? We got a brand new Jaguar in here, all right? F Pace, the SUV model. Guy calls me up, yo, Jake, need a muffler delete, need some noise, no problem, come on by, I got you, as always. So what did we do? Cut the mufflers off for him, and then we put some tips to match this paint job. As we zoom back, you're gonna see this paint job, all right? So we got a stock system up here in the middle, stock resonators, stock resonator in the front, and then we came back here and deleted the mufflers for him. All right, deleted the mufflers. Obviously, we powder coated them for him, and then we put some nice tips right here. Purple, pink, blue, I don't friggin' know. Whatever the sunlight determines, that's the color that it's gonna be. Let's bring it down and fire it up.